Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of oral hygiene with what many consider to
be the best Philips Sonicare toothbrush heads replacement available. The Philips Sonicare Genuine C2 Optimal Plaque Control Toothbrush Heads.
Now, why all the buzz about these toothbrush heads? Let's break it down. First off, they're genuine Philips Sonicare replacements, meaning they're designed specifically to work seamlessly with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles.
And here's where it gets interesting. They're recommended by dental professionals. That's right, folks, you're getting the stamp of approval from the experts themselves. But what really sets these toothbrush heads apart is their plaque-busting power. With up to 7 times more plaque removal compared to manual toothbrushes, you can say goodbye to those pesky buildups and hello to a cleaner, healthier smile.
And it doesn't stop there. The Power Tip feature targets plaque along the gum line, ensuring a thorough clean every time you brush. But wait, there's more. These toothbrush heads are equipped with brush sync mode pairing and replacement reminders when used with a brush sync compatible handle like the Diamond Clean Smart or Protective Clean. Talk about convenience. And for those of you who like to save a few bucks, you can subscribe and save on genuine Philips Sonicare brush head replacements, saving up to 15%. So there you have it, folks. The Philips Sonicare Genuine C2 Optimal Plaque Control Toothbrush Heads, the best choice for a cleaner, healthier smile. Don't just take my word for it, try them out for yourself and let your smile do the talking. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on products that matter. Until next time, happy brushing.